Alright, so I'm Steven and I'm a mechanical engineer. I have a bunch of dogs that live with me in my house, and this is the way that I keep our pet dander down. So I found this design online. You take 4 regular air filters and duct tape them around a box fan. And when you duct tape the box fan, you want to make sure that it's pulling air from the room and pushing it into your box. And what it does is it traps all of the dust in the inside of the cube. And you can see how it's like gray just from trapping dander and pollen from the dogs in springtime. On the bottom, I just duct tape a piece of cardboard and then duct tape all of my corners, and then I duct tape the box fan to the top. And this is how we keep our air quality clean in the house. We have one of these, and it doesn't even come close. This is 10,000 times better. So for anybody else with our problem, here's a solution.
What this person's referring to is something called the Cori-Rosenthal box, which was developed back in 2020 by Richard Corsi, who's an environmental engineer, and Jim Rosenthal, who is the CEO of Tex Air Filters. This is something that you can look up online, but feel free to pause to read and take a snapshot of this if you want to make this yourself. If you're going to do this yourself, I suggest that you buy air filters that have an MERV rating of at least 13 or greater to get maximum filtration out of this type of unit. The materials cost anywhere between $50 to $150, and it's about 10 times cheaper when you consider the electricity costs compared to a commercial air cleaner. This is a really good DIY option if you're trying to help improve your respiratory health, or if you have allergies, or you're trying to reduce viral respiratory transmission at home or school or other public places. I have to be honest, I'm actually a really big fan of this.